first thing to get assembled is called the bottom stretcher to the case side. It's about a 180-degree turn on the cam to lock it in. The screwdriver does not go straight in, it's at about a 10-degree angle. Next is to actually install the back. Two-man operation for most people. There are 3 Rapix pins on either case end that this attaches to. So set the back onto the Rapix pins on both sides and tighten each one down on both sides. Now we're going to install the front trim piece on the underside of the top. Now we'll go ahead and install the top.
Everything is ready for it.
Now I'm going to pre-assemble what's called the link pivots partially.
Can you hold it a little bit more in front of you?
So the orientation of these is important. The way the triangle has to be is that these are directly above the center hole. So it's going that way and that way. And then we flip it over and put some more stuff on the back side. These are going to be just attached loosely here because the desk or the bed end panels need to slip in between these, so this is just going to be loose like that. Now we're going to install what's called the tri-bearer. There's 3 bolts for this. Now we'll attach the desk to the desk back. In this orientation, cams facing this direction. Next step is to attach the desk ends to the and same for the other side. Now we're going to flip this on the back side here. And we have a couple things to do here. Okay. Put the desk support bar in on the bottom of the desk. Goes in between the two 1/4-inch holes. We're using decorative bolts to attach, and it requires a 4mm hex wrench to tighten the bolts down. The best tool to use for this is a So the next step is to put the desk in place. So now we're going to assemble the bed end panels to the desk. And the first thing is to make sure you've got the plastic bushing here, and then slip the little silver metal piece into that, and then carefully set this in between the two plates without scratching. Okay, so now we're going to get ready to slide the desk into its final position. In order to do that, I'm going to make sure that the lock pins are in, and I'm going to put a piece of cardboard in between the side panel and the desk so that the link pivot does not scratch the wood as it's sliding in on both ends. And slide in just about that far so that the trunnion bushings line up with the bolt hole on the mechanism attachment plate. So now we're going to insert the trunnions. It's very important to get these going straight into the mechanism attachment plate, so you may need to move the one way or the other to get it properly lined for up and down and sideways. Don't cross thread. And on the other side. Okay, so now we're going to install the back bed rail, and it has to be kind of slipped onto both ends. It's easiest to do this with two people, so that both ends can be held properly. Now we'll go ahead and put the front bed rail on. Again, this is easiest done with 2 people. So one of the last things is to put in the mattress panel. And then the next step is to fasten the mattress panel down to the ledgers. So then one of the final steps is just to raise the bed. It's going to be a little heavy because there's nothing to help you at this point. And then lock it in. And put the lock pins in like that so it holds it up. And then down on the floor and pull the mechanism arm down and let the hook slide up onto the tri-bearer on both sides. So the assembly is now complete, and it's just good to test the bed. Pull the lock knobs out, push on the desk, and grab the bed and pull it down. It's going to take a little bit of strength to pull it down at first until you get the mattress in, because it's meant to be balanced with the mattress in it. And then one other feature is that the bed can actually be locked down with the lock knobs when it's down here. So the assembly is complete and everything is working properly. It's good to note that there are some pinch points when you are transitioning, and so it's good to keep pets and small children away from the bed when it is being transitioned.